Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Measurement. It's the actually the physics chapter in which we learn about the length, weight, or anything that we measure, like length, weight, or for example, in length we use like meter, centimeter, kilometer, likewise, and in weight we use kg. This. Wait a minute. Kg, gram, and other units. So first, I will use. Wait a minute. What do you think? What does measurement means?
What, ma'am?
What does measurement means? Do you know? Do you have any idea what does measurement mean? Hello?
What do you understand by measurement? Tell.
I'm not saying आप उर्दू में आप नॉर्मली हिंदी में
Ma'am,
मुझे बोलो मेजरमेंट क्या होता है.
measuring something.
Very good. For example, like length, like weight, like मतलब आप देख रहे हो आपकी हाइट कितनी है, आप कितने लंबे हो, या आपके सामने टेबल हो गया है, जो भी चीज़ है तो उसकी वजन कितना है, हम उसी के हिसाब से चलते हैं ना. आप सुन रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
हाँ, इसी तरह वही होता है मेजरमेंट. अब मेजरमेंट के दो टाइप्स होता है, नॉन स्टैंडर्ड मेजर्स और स्टैंडर्ड मेजर्स. नॉन स्टैंडर्ड मेजर होता है द लेंथ ऑफ द स्टेप्स. The length of steps, arms, hands, fingers of different people are different. Therefore, the distances measured with this help is not always reliable. For example, जब आप measurement जब पहले पुराने ज़माने में जब अभी length for example मीटर और किलोमीटर अभी इन्वेंट नहीं हुए थे, डिस्कवर नहीं हुए थे, तब हाँ, तब क्या होता था, तब हाथों से, पाँव से, फिंगर्स से ना मेजर किया जाता था. लेकिन देखो आपके हाथ छोटे हैं, आपकी मम्मा के बड़े हैं, तो मेजरमेंट में ना थोड़ी एरर्स आ जाते थे. इसलिए फिर वो ज़्यादा देर के लिए हम इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाते थे. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप अपने हाथ से कुछ मेजर करोगे, वो अगर आपके 2 बार वो हाथ आए, 2 टाइम्स आपने वो हाथ गिने, अगर आप सेम आपकी मम्मा करी, क्या पता वो एक ही बार आएगा, क्योंकि आपके हाथ छोटे हैं और आपकी मम्मा के हाथ बड़े हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप स्टेप्स, आपके पैर छोटे हैं, मम्मा के पैर बड़े हैं. अगर आप चलोगे, आपको अगर फॉर एग्जांपल 10 स्टेप्स आएंगे, आपकी मम्मा के 5 ही स्टेप आएंगे. आ रहा है समझ?
Ma'am, please explain in English only, ma'am.
Okay, you can't understand Hindi?
We can understand, but English will be better, ma'am, because in school they are taught in English only. They have
Oh,
to speak in English only.
okay. Okay, then okay, non-standard. These are those length that we measure with our hands, with our feet, with our. For example, your mama's hand are bigger than your hand. When you will measure from your hand, the measurement become. For example, you take 10 steps of your room, but your mama takes only 5 steps, so it's not reliable. So you can't use non-standard measurements. And then after some time there come another measurement, that is standard measurement. Standard measurement are the measurements that are used all over the world. मतलब that is used by all over the world. For example, in USA, in America, or in India, we use these measurements. For example, units of measurement, it involves the comparison of unknown quantity with some known quantity of the same kind. For example, for length we use meter, for more big lengths we use kilometer, and for weight, for small things we use mass, for bigger things we use एक second, kilogram. This known fixed quantity is a unit. मतलब ये एक fixed quantity है, ये हर एक it is used by everyone. I'm sorry because I teach in Hindi. I'm not reliable in teaching in English
Okay,
more
ma'am.
confidently.
But I told my requirement that I want in English.
I was not confirmed. Within 5 minutes, I was given this class, and I was told that you have to teach this student. And they even don't tell me which chapter I have to read them, or is it CBSE, is ICSE, or it is any other state board. I was not informed about that.
It
So I
is
don't have a
ICSE only.
proper PPT. I have nothing like that.
Okay, leave it, ma'am. Then. Thank you.
Yeah.